Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video my premium coaching program for new tax pros. That's what I specialize in working with in this career industry of tax preparation and taxation. It's the new people who want to make a career and a business model inside this career industry is who I specialize in working with. And that's why my area of expertise come into play because I help you get your business set up. I help you fast track your success. I help you to remove all the guesswork to getting started and what path you should be going down. I help you set up your business as far as the paperwork you need to have in place to be even considered a tax service. I help you with the business accounts, the payment processing, and all the different moving pieces that's needed for your business as far as the paperwork aspect of it. And then at the same time, I help you on the front end when it comes to the daily operation of your business, when it comes to let you know what equipment and furniture and tools and resources you need to have in place to have a successful tax season before tax season we get here. So the what is what I bring to the table with my marketing program, my coaching program, which is designed to help new tax professionals. That's who my area of expertise work with. If you see a list of things on the screen, we cover the ID.me, EIN, EFIN, and the PTIN. Those are the four things we need to have in place as far as the paperwork aspect of being considered a business. Without that, you don't have a tax service. You're just a person hustling out here trying to make some extra money for yourself, and that's it, that's all. So to be considered legit, to be considered credible, you want to have your business set up like real credible tax preparation businesses are set up already that you probably even went to for many years and your family went to for many years. You want to be set up in such a way where people who come to your doors, if you're doing a brick and mortar, who find you credible and believable and friendly and knowledgeable and kind and has their best interests at heart when it comes to doing business is the type of atmosphere you want to bring to the marketplace when it comes to starting your business. And then we cover basic income tax costs. So we have a couple options for you. As my coaching program gets bigger, where I will no longer be able to offer one-on-one support, we'll manifest over to group coaching, meaning we'll have tax preparation courses that'll be a group setting where I'm using a third-party vendor, which is Search at the Income Tax School, where you will be able to take the comprehensive beginners course and you'll be presented with two options. One, the income tax school can teach my client/student for me, or I can teach it myself. The benefit of them teaching it for me is that you'll get a certificate and also it'll be reported on your behalf to the IRS as a CE credit. And so that's the advantages of letting the income tax school teach the course on my behalf to my students. Because as I get bigger and larger, I won't have the time to facilitate teaching every aspect of what I offer with the full service coaching program. And so what I'm doing right now, I'm working on a couple of aspects of the coaching program where I'm working on a self-study program where you'll get limited access to me for a low time, one-time payment. And I'm also going to be working on a subscription model where you'll pay every month to get more access to me directly. That's going to help you actively start and grow a profitable tax preparation business for yourself. And then the standard full service coaching program where it's going to cost you $2,000 to $2,500 because I already charge $2,000, but next year my prices are going up even more. And so with that model, you're looking at three different models based on the client and where they're at in their journey. I have people so far who've invested $1,500 who not showing up inside their business to help grow it, to help build a foundation for success. Those are not the people I want to work with. I want to work with people who are going to invest $2,000, $2,500 inside my coaching program that allow you to learn what you need to learn, become the entrepreneur you need to become to build this type of success you want to have inside your business by showing up. That's the individual I want to work with. I don't want people who are going to invest this type of income with me and not show up. You're not the ideal client I'm looking for. You're not the person I want to work with. I'm looking for people who want to invest to get started, and they're going to be there every step of the way until they get the desired results inside of their business. And so I help you to set up the paperwork portion of it out the gate. So that's done. That's a no-brainer. I help you set up your infrastructure as far as how your business should look on a daily basis, as far as the necessary tools, resources, equipment, supplies, and all those things that you need to have in place to help facilitate the business when it comes to interacting with the clients. No brainer. I take care of that. I work with you with that. I assist you with that. If you build your business to the point where now you're hiring people, I help you with the back end of that when it comes to the payroll that you need to have in place to pay these people and give them an end-year statement. So I handle all the aspects of starting and growing a profitable business from A to Z, and you get 18 months to work with me to help you do that. After 18 months is over with, you get the choice to decide if you want to continue to work with me and have me on your team as a valuable resource, or do you want to do this on your own? Whatever choice you decide, there's no right or wrong. The choice is up to you. But if you keep me on your team, it'll be an annual investment that you'll pay until you get to a certain financial dollar spot. And so for all my clients that reach $25,000 or more, they no longer have to pay any annual investments to work with me, because as a result of you hitting that milestone, I'll waive your fees to work with you, because that's my way of giving back. That's my way of saying thank you for trusting in me to give me an opportunity to work with you, to help you to get your business up and running off the ground and profitable and successful and sustainable, and business that you can pass on to your children or to a family member if you choose. So if you can find someone that you can bring into the business and work under you and grow them and have them to leave a legacy where this business is left to them, because you've positioned them to be able to learn everything they need to learn to operate the business and to take it over once you decide to retire from the business. So everything you need to start a profitable tax preparation business, you get with my premium coaching program. And it's hands-on, live weekly trainings. You get all the tools and resources laid out to you for you to inspect, for you to take a look at, based on your ability to implement, understand, comprehend, and interpret this information based on your ability. Everyone is going to be different. I've been teaching this income tax. I've been teaching a basic income tax course for over 15 years. And I can count on one hand how many students who had the ability to take this knowledge and make it something great and turn it into a business, but they didn't have the desire to do so. They didn't see it as a career whatsoever. They just saw it as a job that they can take or leave. And right now today, I have no one from the past who saw it the way I saw it. So in 2020, I started this coaching program to help me to position myself in front of people who wanted a career in this career industry. This is a career industry, regardless if you can see it that way or not. It is what it is. And so for people who want to make a career out of it and be serious about it and dedicated to it and focused to it and be all you can be with it to help the lives of other people when it comes to their tax preparation needs, those are the individuals I'm looking to work with. Those are the individuals this coaching program was created for. Not for somebody to invest $1,500, $2,000 and you don't show up. That's not the person I'm looking to work with. So if you want to start a tax preparation business in this career industry, and you want somebody who has your best interest at heart, who has your back all the way, who's going to give you all you need when it comes to support and training and insight and information and tools and resources. Now, a lot of this stuff you're going to have to pay for because we building a business. We're starting a business. So it's going to be investments in it. So even though you're investing in me, you still have investments that you have to invest with this. But with my premium coaching program, if you make that one-time investment, it has bonuses that come with it. The professional software that we use to do the work with is included. The tax preparation training, if needed, comes with it. And so for the person who invests in this premium coaching program on that level, you have some things that's included for that price where you don't have to make additional investments when it comes to having the resources and tools needed to do the business with, to do the work with, to service the clients with. That's included. So if you're interested in getting started, we have 11 days left. For the right person who has the money, the time, the resources, and the dedication to making this happen, we can start with these 11 days. And I'm going to point out right now what we need to do in these 11 days. First thing we need to do is have an IDME account set up. That's going to give us access to the eFile Providers application, which allows us to obtain an EFIN, which stands for Electronic Filing Identification Number. That's the number that we use to purchase professional software and work with third-party banks to collect our tax preparation fees on our behalf. The next step that we'll do while we're doing that process is to set up your business credentials. We'll get your EIN number, which stands for Employee Identification Number, that we'll set up on IRS.gov. They have the free version, and if you decide to incorporate, that's a state filing fee, which you can decide to do now or later based on your budget, based on how much money you have to invest in starting these things right now. It's normally how we get started. I have people who invest and incorporate their business after they make money. So it's fine. So I can get with you on a Zoom call and help you fill out the EIN application. From there, you get that application instantly, saved to your computer for later use, because we're going to need that EIN letter. We're going to need the EFIN summary letter. We're going to need the PTIN letter and a valid ID front and back. Save to your computer, because those are the documents that we're going to use to purchase professional software and register with a third-party bank that's going to collect your fees on your behalf from your clients. Those are the documents we need to set you up and have you considered a full-fledged legit tax service. Anything less than what I just mentioned, you're not a legit tax service. You're doing it illegally. You're doing it the wrong way. You can get caught up for that and be put in a situation where you can never work in this industry again if you decide to do it your way. So this is what I bring to the marketplace. I bring removing all the guesswork from getting started. I remove all the minefields and pitfalls of being a new business owner. I bring helping you fast track your success in this industry. I help you become profitable in your first season, but you must take action on what I tell you you need to be doing that's going to position you to do so. The reason a lot of people don't make the type of money they want to make in this career industry is because they don't do the things they need to do to make it. And so if you're going to not do the things that you need to do to make it, then the only person you can look at in the mirror and say, I didn't make the type of money I said I want to make because I didn't take the necessary action I want to take. You got to take the necessary actions to get the necessary results you want to have inside your business, let alone inside your life. So if you're ready to take action, if you're ready to take these last 11 days and work with me right now by making an investment, I'm going to have a link inside this video that's going to give you an option to join my coaching program for 6 payments of $197. It's going to include the free software, the free tax preparation training, and all the guidance and support you need that's going to help you go out and get clients. We're going to teach you basic marketing skills that's going to help you go out and get clients. We're going to position you in the marketplace through your efforts to go out and bring in clients that's going to pay you what you're worth, because you're going to position yourself in a way to get it done. So if you're ready to take action, if you're ready to take advantage of these last 11 days going into the new year, where I can help you get your infrastructure set up and ready. And the beautiful thing about this is, if we can't get your stuff approved in time, you get to work under me and with me with whatever clients you may already have or whatever clients you may maybe go out there and get. And we process them through the company. You get paid. It's an 80-20 split, meaning you get the 80 because they're your client. I get 20 for processing them. And once your credentials are ready, Then we switch you on over to your credentials, and everything else you start to do from that point on is done under your name, under your business name, under your business account, under your payment process, and all those things. And from there, you're well on your way. Any questions, concerns about this, hit me at 773-782-1320. Take action. Take action. If you like my content, if you like my flow, if you know some people that's looking to start their own corporation business and they ain't sure where they want to go yet, they might be doing their research already. They might found some people. They might have tried to talk to those people but couldn't get in touch with them. I'm here for you to talk to me so I can let you know that I'm the real deal. Check out my channel. My handle on YouTube is at Coaching with Thomas, which is Coaching W Thomas. That's my handle at YouTube. So if you go to YouTube and type in at Coaching W Thomas, my site YouTube channel will come up. You go over there and check out my videos and let me know if I'm the one you want to work with. If I'm the one that's going to be able to help you make it happen for yourself. If I'm the one that you know, like, and trust enough that you can invest in to deliver on the promise of what I say I can do when it comes to helping you start and grow a profitable tax preparation business for yourself. And I'll see you in my next video.